This right here is the all new MacBook Pro M5. Here's the top of the box. We've got the MacBook Pro right here. This is the space black color. Looking here at the bottom, we have MacBook Pro, Apple logo, MacBook Pro, as well as Apple logo right here. Looking here at the back, we do have a pull tab that you can just pull to open it up, which is really fun to do. M5 chip, 16 gigabytes of memory, as well as 1 terabyte storage. We also have another pull tab right here. Taking the top cover off, here's the MacBook Pro itself. We've got a black MagSafe connector. It's a USB-C designed by Apple in California. Inside here, we no longer have any Apple stickers, unfortunately, as you guys can see. But we do have instructions as well as the quick start guide right over here. Let's put this back. Last thing in the packaging, we just have this, I believe it's a 70 watt. Yes, it is 70 watt USB-C power adapter. It's a USB-C one. And just like before, you can actually replace this with a different one. So if you're traveling, you can just end up replacing the plug and then using it abroad, which is really cool. USB-C right there. Let's go ahead and put all this away and take a look at the MacBook Pro itself. Wow. Look at this color, you guys. On the top over here, we have this gloss black Apple logo. It's nice and shiny, as you guys can see. Feels really premium. On the right hand side, we've got the HDMI port, USB-C, SD card slot. Nice lip over here, so you can easily open the MacBook. On the left hand side, we've got the headphone jack, 2 USB-C ports, as well as the MagSafe. Here's the back. We've got some exhaust fans. And then on the bottom, we do have the MacBook Pro right there, which is etched, as well as the rubber feet right over here, which are kind of like a foam feeling, which is pretty cool. Some intakes it looks like over here. Let's go ahead and put it down, open it up for the first time, which should turn on. There we go. Got this covered. We've got the keyboard right here with this very nice trackpad. Of course, the speakers over here. So let's go with the first time ever setup. I'm gonna select English, country is Canada. I will be setting this up as a new Mac, so I'll just click on this. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi network, typing the password. Once typed in, let's hit join. Connecting right over here. It is really quick to set up a new MacBook. Like very simple, very fast. We have software update. We're gonna update this later. Data and privacy. Now we can name our MacBook. I'll just name this Mac. It will automatically put a name for the account name. Now I'll type in the password. So let's go 123456. 123456. And then you can put a hint if you want, and you can also allow your iCloud account to be able to unlock it. And you could of course change the emojis over here. All right, now you can sign into your Apple ID, which I will not be doing. I will do this later, so let's hit skip. And then of course we can agree. Turn on the locations and services. I'll be unchecking that. This is your screen time, so it pretty much tells you which app you're using the most. I'll go ahead and hit continue on that. We've got the Apple Intelligence. I will be setting this up later. We have Siri that you can set up, so this is how it kind of works. You can pick the voice.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting
You
sun.
can choose
The colors
for me.
of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars
As the weather.
shine through the clear night.
Siri, send a message. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Get directions home. Play some music. And the reason I do end up muting the word is because I don't want to set off your HomePods at home. So let's go ahead and hit continue. You can improve Siri and dictation, so I'll be clicking not now. Let's hit continue. Your Mac is ready for firewall. You can go ahead and turn that on. And this is the code you want to keep. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Here we have Touch ID. You can set up later, but I'm also going to set up right now. And this is the power button, which is your Touch ID. Just tap like this. It's pretty cool. And it automatically goes to the second step, unlike the iPhones where you have to like click OK. And then hit continue. We're done. So this is your auto, which is right now it's nighttime. So it's 3:52 a.m. So it's kind of put it in the dark mode. But this is what the light one will look like. I'll just go with dark mode. Update Mac automatically. And I believe after this, we're done. There we go. We have the welcome right over here. And of course, we have get started. Now I love having this 14-inch MacBook because unlike the one that I have with the touch bar as my smaller MacBook, I don't really like the big, thicker bezels that we have on those touch bar 13-inch MacBooks. So overall, this 14-inch is a really nice upgrade, especially with the M5. So I'm going from the M1 to the M5. And that one also had 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick unboxing and setup video of the all new MacBook Pro M5. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next one.